Hi, everyone. We're going to do a quick little review here with task cards before you have a food chain and web assessment. So you can either use a dry erase board, you can just have a Google Doc open, or a sheet of paper. And I will read these cards to you so you can kind of think what the answer is, and then I'll state the answer to get you ready here. Number one, which animal below is an herbivore? Is it a lion, a seal, a rabbit, or a wolf? Which one has flat teeth? This animal is in our ecosystem, so you should be familiar with what one eats only plants. Think about it. And it is C, rabbit. Number two, what do consumers eat? Consumers. Do they eat both plants and animals? Do they make their own food? Or they don't eat plants or animals? What do consumers eat? And it is A, both plants and animals. Number three, to which category below do human beings belong to? A, omnivores, B, herbivores, C, carnivores, or D, producers? And we are A, omnivores. All right, number four in this diagram, the grass is what? Now, this is kind of goofy. It's like they're trying to trick you because normally we read left to right, right? But we read food chains by following the arrow, okay? So it'd go grass, follow that arrow to grasshopper, then to the bird. Okay, normally it would be the opposite, but I think they're trying to trick you because they want you to follow that flow of energy, the arrow. So in that diagram above, the grass is what statement is true? The grass is food for the grasshopper. The grass is a consumer. It's not eaten, or is it food for the bird? Follow those arrows for your flow of energy. And it is A, food for the grasshopper. Number five, a food web. Web is made up of animals only, plants only, seeds only, or overlapping food chains. Food web. It is D as in dog, overlapping food chains. Number six, which below is part of a food chain? Decomposers, consumers, producers, or do all of them have to be part of a food chain? And it is D as in dog, all of the above. Number seven, if the number of beetles increased, okay, then what would happen to the plant population? Okay, so beetles eat plants, right? So if beetles are increasing, they're going to need to eat those plants, right? So would the plants increase too? Would it decrease because the beetles increase and are eating them, become stronger, or would it stay the same? So this is a cause and effect relationship telling you that beetles eat plants. So the answer would be B as in boy. It would decrease. If the beetles are increasing, plants would decrease because they're being eaten by those beetles. Number eight, that same food chain, grass to the grasshopper, then the energy is going to the bird. In the diagram, it is showing producers only. Do you only see producers? Consumers only? Is it showing you a realistic food chain, or is it just showing you a variety of decomposers? Which statement is true?